TARN clinical reports are moving online to join our TARN Analytics reporting. This video will explain how to access the clinical report and demonstrate the key data visualization functions available to you. TARN Analytics operates through a program called Microsoft Power BI. You'll need an account to view the clinical reports and can apply to TARN to set this up. Further details on the application process will be included at the end of this video. If you already have a TARN Analytics account, you will automatically be able to view the clinical reports on launch. Once you have an account, you'll need to navigate to the Power BI website and sign in. You'll need to navigate to the version of the clinical report that is relevant to your hospital type, trauma unit or major trauma centre. The home page of the clinical report will then be displayed. The report date range is highlighted at the top of the page. These date parameters are locked down and not editable. The three reporting sections are listed across the centre of the page. Click to view. In this example, we select Data Quality. We can now view the Data Quality Summary page. The hospital or hospitals listed at the top of the page are those you have authorised access to. You can select each hospital individually by clicking the checkbox next to the site name. You are showing the reporting date range again, specifying the current and previous reporting period. This is because we will show how your current performance compares to your performance in the last report. An information button appears throughout the report. Click to view explanatory information about each section. Hover your cursor over an infographic to view a tooltip explaining what these represent. You can return to the report home screen at any time by clicking the Home button. Within each summary page, you will see links to view the summary data. Click the Information button for an explanation of the fields and gauges in this section. You can click the link provided to view a breakdown of your data accreditation fields. This will take you to the Data Quality section of TARN Analytics. Please be aware you will need to adjust the date range on this page to reflect the clinical report parameters. Click Next section to be taken to the next page of the report. Alternatively, you can navigate through the report by clicking on the relevant item in the on-screen menu. This page is the outcome summary, and as you can see, the date range here includes data for a combined 2-year period rather than showing current year compared with previous year. Remember, you can hover your cursor over an icon to view its associated tooltip. Click on View Summary Data. Look for the Information button to explain how to interpret the contents of each page. Please note that due to restrictions set by Microsoft, you cannot print, export or copy the funnel plot, but you can take a screenshot to use the image in a report or presentation. Click Next section to view the patient pathway. Let's select Pre-Hospital. The standards in this section are set by NICE, and we have included links to the NICE guidance for further information. We've also included detailed information pages to explain these measures further. Let's view the summary data. This page breaks down the patients included in each measure. Please note that all tables within the report show data for individual sites, so you must ensure you have selected a hospital from the menu at the top of the page. Click on the patient list icon to view a list of these patients. If you click the submission link icon next to a submission number, you'll be taken to the patient submission on the TARN website. You can export data at any point by clicking on the 3 dots in the corner of a list or table and selecting Export Data. The charts are interactive, so under the At Scene Personnel section, if I click on Doctor, we can apply a filter to view data for all patients attended by a doctor at scene. The other charts and gauges update to reflect this data selection, so we can see that for patients with a doctor at scene, time to airway management is reduced and more patients have TXA administered within the 1-hour target. You can remove the filter by clicking on Doctor again. Click Next section. We now come to the in-hospital summary. Again, these measures are set by NICE, so we have included links to the NICE guidelines. Click to view the summary data. For the Doctors in ED section, you can use the tabs to filter by doctors attending on arrival, within 30 minutes and all patients. Once again, you can view patient lists and export data to Excel. Click Next section to view the final page of the report. If you would like to export any of the charts for use in a report or presentation, you can click on this icon to copy the visual to your clipboard. You can print any page of the report by clicking on File and Print this page. Please note you cannot print the tooltips or information pages, however you can screenshot these screens. You can export the entire report into PowerPoint or PDF by clicking on Export and then selecting your chosen program. If you do not already have a TARN Analytics account, please apply for one by completing the request form on the resources page of our website. The account setup process can take several weeks, so if you require access, please request as soon as possible. You will find other useful resources relating to TARN Analytics on our resources page and can always request help from our support team.